So we got here another nice case from our friends from FANTECH, and this time around it's the Hexa CG73 middle tower case. So this one supports all types of case: ATX, mini ITX, and micro ATX. So I'm quite excited to open this one up for you. Come on, join me. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now we have here, like I said, it's the FANTECH HEXA CG73 middle tower case. So I'll be reading some quick specs over here, and it has a 12cm 6X fan capability, of course, probably support, VGA length max of 300mm, audio jack, USB 2.0 to two of them, and one USB 3.0. You can support one SSD and one HDD. CPU height is 165mm, and you have a side tempered glass, and it's a middle tower case. Now, the net weight of this one is 4.88 kilograms, which is not that heavy. Typically, it would be roughly 5 kilos or 5.5 kilogram. So yeah, how about let's open this. So they packed a special one. They included 2 more fans for me. So yeah, let me open this one up. There you go. So yeah, we have here a RGB fan. Okay, so you can see it's a Core FC120 RGB fan from FANTECH. Okay, so it's nice. Probably this one is the same. So we'll put it aside. This is for probably expansion. So right now, let's focus ourselves on the case. So yeah, I'll be reversing this one. Okay, there you go. Make life easier. So we have 2 styro on the sides. So the taking one off, opening it, then taking the other one off again. So there. Whew, easy. So let's take a look at the front. And what I like about the front is that it's glass finish. Normally, we see mesh type or whatever other type. This one, I think it's really nice. It's very classic. And you can see that all 3 fans is mounted on front. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 320mm RGB fans is already mounted on the front. So it's also a tempered glass. Okay, so right now, let's try to take this one off, see if it's easy. Normally it's clips. Okay, so yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, it's easy to take off. So we can see here there's 4 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 4 over here. You can see some honeycomb finish over here, and of course tempered glass. And here's the logo FANTECH. Really nice etching. Okay, so yeah, basically this is a glass finish one. So inside you can see 1, 2, 3 fans ready, and everything's mounted inside, already attached, ready to use. Now, taking a quick look at this side. So we have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, these screws are, I would really appreciate those ones that are magnet clip or just 2 screws for make it easier to remove. Okay, but of course this one just makes it a lot more safer for probably for you and me, not to accidentally remove it. So yeah, so to say. Okay, so right now it's glass. Okay, it's a purely glass. There's no border. Okay, so you can see it's purely a glass, a frosted glass, and it's not even a clear glass. It's a semi-smoke glass. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, it's not a pure clear glass. Okay, so it's a semi-smoke glass, color brown. So we have our user guide inside. And right now for the fun part. So we have here the clearance for the motherboard. So we have some of these gold, not looking like thing. So for us to mount our motherboards here, the screws. So here is for cable management. This one as well for cable management. This one's for you to put your wire tie, cable tie, whatever you call it. This one too. Wow, there's a lot of them for cable management purpose. This one also for cable management. And this one for you to put your PSU. Okay, the power supply unit is here. All you need to do is place it here, then screw it at the back, and you're good to go. Now here underneath, it's for you to place your hard disk drive. And on top, you can place one SSD. So on the rear, you can see another case fan, 128mm case fan, which is RGB finished. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 7 slot expansion for PCI. Now, all of them, when you remove it, you can no longer reuse it. Okay, so I really appreciate those ones that you can reinsert it and reuse it whenever you don't need it. But of course, this is a budget case, so don't expect too much. So you can see that it's ITX, ATX, and micro ATX and IATX ready. Okay. And right now, taking a quick look at the back, we can see that here is the exhaust for the, of course, 120mm case fan. Here is for your plate. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 PCI expansion. So when you remove this one, you can screw it here. So easy to use. Now we have all your IOs over here, wherein it will link to the top. Okay. So we have all your IOs over here to be able to mount to the motherboard. So right now we're going to the side. Okay, so side we have 2 thumb screws over here. 1. And 2. Now taking it off. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit thin. Okay, but well, of course you don't expect too much. But for me, I can see that, well, you don't need it to be really that thick because it will make it a lot heavier. Okay, so yeah, I can say that the build is not really that bad. It's made out of steel, and I can say that the finishing here, the matte black finish is quite good. Okay, so the paint job is really good on this one. So at the back, you can see here's for cable management. You have all your screws, my extra screws over here on this pouch. So you have some power. Okay, so you need some power to drive all your fans and make it light up. Okay, so to speak, and all their IOs here. It's pretty much easy to mount. I feel that this one is really easy to mount since there's a lot of brackets over here for you to place all your cable ties, especially to make it very neat. On top, you can see that we can mount 2 120 case fan. Probably this is why they sent me 2 more to mount it here. Okay. So yeah, you can mount 2 more 120 over here. And taking a look at some of these ports. So we have the power button, we have the reset button, USB 2.0, audio jack, microphone in, USB 2.0 again, USB 3.0, and that's it. Now, I do hope that they did put a mesh over here, a steel mesh over here to make it look a lot better. But of course, I don't expect too much. This one, they don't really use mesh on this one. Now, underneath, we can see that, well, it's a basic one. So yeah, I only have one mesh over here to filter out all those dust coming into the PSU. And basically, that's it for this case, the FANTECH HEXA CG73. Okay. So there you go, guys. I was able to give you a quick more extensive overview of the FANTECH HEXA CG73 middle tower case. I like the design up front. It's glass. Rarely do I still see those using glass up front. It's very minimalistic. And yeah, I can see, you can enjoy the color of the RGB here up front. And definitely it's a plus over those having a mesh on front, which you can see partially the lights, not the full lights, of course. Probably I'll be waiting for a motherboard and probably some liquid coolers to mount on this one to make it look good. So of course, you want to see the full build, do consider subscribing, and of course hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future video build here on my channel. So right now, you can see here, probably it's a little preview what you can expect with lights inside. Okay, so I just placed a RGB lights inside just to give you some lightings to see on this one. So guys, if you want to know where I can buy this FANTECH HEXA CG73 middle tower case, I'll drop it in the comment section below. And you want to have some comments, you want to have some interaction, do hit me up on the comment section below. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here on my channel. And so I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?